Okay, this is how I fold my Norwex EnviroCloth. So I fold it in threes. Then I'm going to fold it over again, kind of smooth it out, do that little KonMari hand smoothing thing, and then I'm going to fold it forward, leave a little bit of space here, and then I'm going to fold it over one more time, right here like this. And the real test, and I'm doing this with one hand, so a little grace, but there you go, it stands up. And that is how you fold your EnviroCloth. Now the window cloth, known as the polishing cloth, is a little different. It's much bigger than the EnviroCloth, and I'm going to try to show you. So I'm going to fold it over in fours, so I folded it in half and then half again. So I'm always doing that little hand smoothing thing. Bring it over, and I like to leave that little section right there, and then I'm going to go 1 and 2, and there you have it. Ta-da!